How to claim. To make a hospital claim, walk to the reception desk of an AAR affiliate hospital and mention your policy number sent to you after purchase or Airtel phone number that paid the Dwaliro Care premium. To make a death claim as a next of kin of the insured individual, dial *185#. Select option 7 Financial Services. Select option 6 Insurance. Select option 3 Dwaliro Care. Select option 4 Make claim and select death claim. Enter the phone number of the next of kin. Enter the name of the deceased. Enter your relationship to the deceased person. Enter the date of death. Send the following documents to WhatsApp number 0759-608-107 to complete your claim. The death certificate or burial permit, next of kin's ID. For any questions or inquiries on the claims process, call the toll-free number 0800 360 900.